Workflow at a standstill because of the Skutil Library DLL. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I've mapped out the solution to fix localized application utility conflict for good. Before we begin the manual steps for Skutil Library, check the description for a tool to help maintain a clean system environment. This is the Skutil Library, a generic skinning and UI utility library, frequently used to manage the unmanaged orchestration of custom visual manifests for third-party software. It facilitates the rendering of proprietary window borders and themed UI data links. Now that you're up to speed on the file's role, let's begin the repair process. Skutil serves as a critical internal bridge for localized application utility features, and you should download the latest version of your host program where you encountered the error to replace any truncated or damaged binaries to resolve the launch error. If that initial setup didn't clear the pop-up, let's examine the specific initialization sequence assigned to your application's directory. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Skutil library component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. With the reboot complete, check your status. If you're still seeing that error, here is the next phase of the fix. Remember, you can pause the video at any time. If the restart didn't fix the library error, we need to manually repair the specific C++ redistributable package. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. I want to share a quick best practice that will help you avoid security complications in the future. Most individual downloads of Skutil Library DLL are not digitally signed, meaning they haven't been verified for safety by the original software developer. A verified diagnostic utility can help manage the ongoing restoration and health of your system's library ecosystem. For users impacted by missing library references, the repair tool linked below provides general background information on Skutil Library. I hope this walkthrough provided the clarity you needed to fix Skutil Library. Please like the video to support the channel and subscribe for more system-level tutorials.